Hi there, Matt here again, and a common question I get asked is, should I buy a used food trailer? Honestly, we have customers come in and they've bought a used food trailer, okay? Thought they got themselves a bargain. They come in with the actual food trailer, okay? We take a look at it and give them a quote and work out what they need to do for repairs, right? You don't hear from them for a while, and then later on they go, oh, we sold that trailer because we figured out it was better to buy a new one, okay? Said, yeah, okay, fair enough. And then what happens is they actually come back again, okay? The actual same trailer comes back again with someone else has bought it and goes, well, it doesn't comply, we need all this fixed and so on and so forth, right? So if you ask me, should you buy a used food trailer? The answer is a definite no, because it ends up costing you more because you're not buying from a reputable, proper supplier. Anyway, hopefully that helps you make the decision correct for you.